Okay, fine. So what happened? User will run the command onto the cell side, and cell what it will work? It is work as an interpreter. What is the work of interpreter? Does it is the converting the your binary language, human readable language to binary language, and then it will be passed to the hardware. Hardware will perform the operation. Then it will be given to your again back. Again it will convert that binary to human readable format, and user will be able to see that all work. So that is called the cell. So this is happening into the cell environment. So don't think like PowerShell it is working onto the PowerShell. No, it is just like in the Linux platform, right? So there also cell will be there, cell layer, right? In the PowerShell also. So what is this? So if you are running any command, so what is happening into the PowerShell? So if you are running anything for the PowerShell will do the same work, right? If you are running on the Linux platform, so that time PowerShell will not come into the picture. There will be some different cell. It will work like which are the important cell is available. Anybody knows? Like you can see the bash cell, right? You will come to know about if you are working for the C platform, C programming. So that time Turbo C or CSH cell, you will going and you are performing this, right? Correct. So these are the architecture of that PowerShell, right? Got it?
So what is that SQL Server Application Exchange COM?
Yeah. These all are the layer. One layer I have given the application layer like SQL Server. This is the SQL Server. Not PowerShell will not work only for the SQL Server. It will work for the SQL Server, your Exchange server, right? You can write the program.
But logically, how that is coming in between the shell and the user layer?
Here just I have given one layer. I have for explaining purpose I have explained you. If you go to the Google, you will see, you will not see this kind. This everything will come here user layer only.
So this diagram is mainly like how
Just
PowerShell works, right?
how PowerShell work. That's it only. It is not like if you don't go into that, then if you are going to read about the layer, then you have to understand the 7 layer it will be there, right? So say layer will be 7 layer. Then in that layer where it is fitting, that is a full deeper. I told you I will not going to perform anything more into the theory part. Basically it is a scripting class only. Next class you will see I will focus on the more on the script part. Theoretical you can learn by itself only, right? So anybody can ask like how PowerShell is work, so you have to tell this, right? Main purpose of mine is this much only. Got it? Okay. So this is just for one day only class. It is not like it will go for more for the theory class. So okay. So I am going little bit more this one. PowerShell 2.0. Okay. Exercise. Okay. So now we are going to we are going to explain here about the execution policy. This is also very, very important thing. Why? Because execution policies means what? How your PowerShell environment will work. So first you have to set up your environment in your for the PowerShell, right? So for that it will come the execution policy. So execution policy, you go and you can check for your system also. If you want, you can check for your office also. So this is the command get execution policy, but don't go for set. Get means you will find out. So there is 4 policy, execution policy, which has been provided by the PowerShell. So first one is your restricted mode. So I will go, and if I will going to run, for me you will be able to see what is my execution. Get hyphen execution policy. If I will run, you can see it is the unrestricted format. If I will go for PowerShell version 7, so if I'm getting get hyphen, execution policy. You are seeing the remote sign. So there is the 4 type of policy is there. Execution policy. So what is that? First one is your restricted policy. So if you are going, if your PowerShell is into the restricted policy, what happened? No script can be run. So you can't, I think somebody is not in mute. I will just mute it. The sound is coming. Okay, fine. So if your execution policy is set for the restricted, so what is going to be happen? No script can be run. So you can run only the command. So like you can see here, so just single command you will able to run. Script you will not able to run, right? So that's why I have given here detail also. No script can be run in the Windows shell. It will use only the inactive mode. What is the meaning of in interactive mode? Means you will type the command and you will get the result. So how I am getting here? Just we are firing some command, we are getting the result. So it will work into that policy only. And restricted policy is by default policy for the Windows PowerShell 5.0. But after that is the remote sign is the default policy for the 7. So be remember. So this interview they will ask this one. Default policy of the Windows 8, Windows PowerShell, no, Windows Server 2012. If you are installing this OS, so by default it will come into the restricted mode. Okay. So it will permit the individual command, but you can't run that any script. Individual command means get command, set command, how I was running. So you can run only those commands. You can't run the full programming. So again it is there. It will prevent to run this a kind of a script means .ps file or psm1 file or PowerShell scripting file. This all you will not understood now. Later we are going to create that module file psm1, that is a PowerShell module file, ps1 file. So this all are we are going to create later, not now. So then you will understood, because today is the first day class. So what you understood in the restricted mode, what is going to be happen? You cannot run the any script. You will run only the command, and you will fire the command. You will get the result. That's it. So second is your all signed. So if your policy will be set to all signed, later I will show you how we can change this policy using the practical. So all signed. If your script is there in the all sign, you can run the script, but it has to be trusted by the publisher. So what is the trusted or certificate authority? It should be trusted by the certificate authority. What is the meaning of that? Means if any script you will write in the ps1 file, you cannot run into that using the PowerShell. If it is sent, if it will be set to the all sign. Why it is given? Like you will, if you all are the SQL DBA, right? So if any problem, if you are getting, what you are doing, you are searching into the Google, and after that what script you are getting, you will run directly into the server, right? But if you are going to do this work is not good. That's why what they are doing in the organization, they will disable the Google, they will disable the YouTube, they will disable many things. So you cannot go and directly you can copy the script, and people what they will restrict, you can't copy from Google to your in your environment, right? So you will see that this is happening in your organization also. They will disable it. Why they are doing? Because without trusted script, if you are going to run, it is going to harm your server. Because I will also build one website, and I will put some script there, right? And this script is, I have written like this script will just do some work, like it will remove some space, but it is deleting some MDF file, just example. So that is not good, right? Something is happened. So that's why people will be, what they are doing, they will block that. So you cannot, they will restrict. You can't copy from any script from Google, and you can't run into your server. So like that there. So same way only in the many organization, they will put into the all sign. All sign means any script which is not trusted, you can't run into the PowerShell environment. Okay, but you can run the single script. So any script which one you want to run into that environment, it should be trusted by the certificate authority. Or if you are going with PowerShell site, there you can find out that. So if you are Google it, like how to, just example in the for the SQL, how to transfer the login with the password. So their script is provided by Microsoft, that is called the Web login. I think you know that. So that is the trusted. right? So all organizations try to use this only, but only this is the script. No, there is the many script has been written. If you will go to the Google, you will find a lot of script user has been written, but we can't trust on that. But we can trust on the Microsoft script, which one they have provided. Same thing only they have done for the PowerShell. Means if any script we are, just 1 second, I will just open the door. If any script which will be not trusted, so you can't run into the your PowerShell, right? So that is called all signed, right? No doubt that there is something called remote sign. What will be happen into the remote sign? So what happened here? You can run the
Sir,
script. Yes, yes, please.
sir, all signed means who will give that certification, sir?
Your voice is not clear. Tell me again. All signed means?
Sir, all signed means it's a trusted certificate, right?
Yes,
Trusted script,
trusted.
right? How can
Yes,
we, how it can understand PowerShell it is trusted or not?
it will be understood. That is, the logic has been written there. So if it is not trusted means you can see that just example, like PDF file. If you are going to open your this one, what to say, for form 16, right? That time also it will ask, please trusted. Automatically it will ask. So it is not your computer will automatically it will understood. Digitally signed, something like that. It will, option will come, right?
So do we need to deploy any certificate for that?
Yes, yes. Then only it will be going to be enabled. So in all organization, nobody will set into that all side. Don't worry. Either they will go with the remote signed or either they will go for the unrestricted. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the remote sign? Remote sign, what happened? Here also your script has to be digitally signed, but you can't do in the multiple of computer. Okay, the meaning of this means like if you have 10 computer, in the all 10 computer you want to perform some operation, like on the all SQL server you want to stop something you want to do, you can't do from remote side if it is assigned. So only for single computer you are able to perform the operation if it is set for the remote side for using the PowerShell script, right? If it is set for the unrestricted mode, then there will be no issue, everything will be open. So that's why I have kept my this one in the unrestricted mode, right? Got it?
Sir.
So
Yes,
once
sir.
once you are going to learn the PowerShell, go and work on the unrestricted only. So if you want to set the policy, so set execution policy, you can give like that. Like that, you can change your unrestricted to restricted. So it is asking you want to change. I have given yes. This time I am going to run this that execution policy. This is a restricted, right? Correct. So this time my execution policy is changed. So once, so here two things I will tell you if you are going to start your PowerShell programming. So first of thing is, once you are starting your PowerShell, start with administrated tool. Right click, run as administrator. One thing. Second thing, change your execution policy to restricted, not restricted, no, unrestricted, and then only start doing the programming, or otherwise you will get lot of issue. This will not allow here, this will block here. So like that. So somebody is pinging me. Yes, you can ask Anil, no problem. You can ping me or you can ask also.
So Rajesh, if you don't mind, could you please explain once again about the remote signed policy?
Okay, so remote signed is what means it is same as all signed only. In all signed, how it has to be trusted by publisher, any script means .psm file or this one. But here what happened, you can run only for one computer. You can't run for multiple computers. See here, like in that what you are doing in that PowerShell, in that in your organization, hundreds of computer is connected in your domain, right? For my, I have only one computer, right? Multiple of computer is not connected in my system. It is I having only one. But in your organization, all computer is connected to your domain, right? So from one computer, you can perform any operation to the all computer if they have given the access. If the access is not there, you can't perform. If they have given that trusted and they have given the permission, you can ping, connectivity is there. So using this computer, you will able to perform the all operation, right? Correct or wrong? Even from one computer you log in, you can connect with the different SQL server for the different server, right? Correct or wrong? Anybody can give this answer.
Yeah, we can ping other servers from one
Other
server.
server also, even we can perform the multiple of work also, right? So like that
Yep.
only, if you will set for the remote side, you will not able to, that script will only work for that computer only. In that script, so in that script you are writing like 10 computer name, go to in this computer, in the 1 2 3 4 5 or 10 server name you have saved into the notepad, and you are performing some operation, shrink that one database, or shrink, not shrink, just give that stop the SQL server for the all 10 computer. And you don't have to run this script into the all computer. You can run from the one computer. In one computer, somewhere in the notepad, you will put the all server name. So this script will run, they will take one by one server name, and it will go and stop that all services. It has to work in that way. But if you are setting for the remote side, it will only do for local computer. Like this is my local computer. So in this, what SQL services is there, that services only it will stop. So that script will only work for that computer, not for the all computer. So remote side is also not good. Some of the organization, they are going to put into the remote sign because they don't want no any script to be work on this computer, the other one. So each computer you have to push that all script, right? So like that you have to work. So any doubt? No,
Yeah, I
right?
have one question.
Yes, please.
If suppose I want to run installation or patching in multiple
Yes.
servers, so with the kind of restricted or some other remote sign, we can't do, right, sir?
No,
Right?
you can't do. You have to go with the unrestricted only. Then only you will be able to do. So you guys are working into the Powershell in your environment?
No,
No,
I'm
working.
not working.
Okay.
So I have a basic knowledge, so that's why I'm
Okay.
asking. And so generally, production servers, generally we won't,
Don't touch.
enable this
Yes.
unrestricted, right?
Yeah. It's depend totally on your environment, how that organization has been set. You can't say, I'm telling you, for my first company, it was remote side. But where I'm working into the TCS, it is unrestricted. In the some of the company, they will tell, I don't want PowerShell only to be implemented. Some of the company, I want automation only, all in the all server. So it's depend upon totally as per your environment, how the company has been set. You can't say this is policy only here. But as per you are learning this, you are doing, you have to write lot of script, you have to download the script also, you have to run my script also. So please put into the unrestricted mode, right?
Okay, got it.
So
Yeah.
you will not get any error and all. So later, how your policy is there in your organization, there you do that way, not this one. If they are telling unrestricted, so you put in the unrestricted. If they are saying for remote side, go with remote side. It's depending upon your
So,
environment.
so we can do ourselves only, restricted to unrestricted.
No. In your organization, in here you can do. In your computer, you are the admin. But in your
Yes,
organization,
correct.
you are not the admin. You have to take the permission of that Pintel. Then only they will
Okay.
provide. You will not get that kind of right to change anything, right? So you will not able to do.
Yeah.
Maybe this setting that execution policy, it will work for you. Maybe it will not work for your organization. That time you have to get the permission approval, right? Or otherwise anybody can
But
change to unrestricted, and they will run whatever they command they want for the SQL server, right? So they will not allow you.
right.
Correct, no?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so I think no doubt, right, till here. Anil is asking some, I am unable to speak, mic was muted, so I have unmuted it. Wait, I will unmute your.
No. Just now I have asked. That's my.
Okay.
I have some. Yeah.
Okay, fine, because I am seeing later that one. So basically, we are going to deal with 4 process here. Commandless. There are the 4 commandless we are going to learn, and there is something on this 4 only. If you are going to work, you will is more than enough for the SQL DBA. That is the get command. So just I will run the get command, and then I will explain you how many get command is there. If I'm running this get command, you will see how many get commands is there. Inside that get command, there is a multiple of command you will able to see. So here what happened, you will not able to see. So what I am going to do, I will just take this all into the notepad file. So if you want to take any result into the notepad, what you have to do, you have to type pipe symbol, and still it is scripting and programming is not started. Don't think I have started. I am just teaching you. 1 or 2 classes will be very basic classes. Then only your everything will be start. You can give the pipe symbol and you can write out this, whatever thing I am explaining you, you have to just remember this. You can give out file and you can give your directory where you want to save your this result. So what I will do, because I was not here, any folder is there. Okay. Result. I will take that this result because you are not able to see that. No? Slash get dot txt. I ran it. So now it is in this side, this folder. This one is file has been created. Now you will see whenever I am running the get command, inside that get command, how many commands is available. There is a lot of command you can see. And I am not going to explain you the all command, but which are the related with the SQL server, that one I am going to teach you. So you can see that APX is there, their DB tool is there, that is related with SQL server. We are going to deal with this. Then disk management is there, storage command is also there. So DB, so Windows update it is there, storage you can see. There is something Excel related thing is also there. Right, so you can see the bit locker is also there. So have you learned about the bit locker, why it is used? So you can see maybe somebody has using in that organization. So that is also application bit locker. There they are putting that all no encrypted format, that all computer related password or anything else. So like that this application is used. So you can see here storage related of something is there, definer related is there. That is, so you can see here lot of command is there, not only that much. So you can see these are the DBA tool. Means later we are going to discuss about the DBA tool in the last. Then you will see it is so you are seeing, means you can see the DB agent proxy. So these all are the command we will discuss, not all. Maximum how much is possible I will tell you how to use that. Something called CPU related thing if you want to know. So this is the command. So you can see these all are the command which is available here into the PowerShell. I am running that get command, means what it will get command will display. It will display the command which is available for my computer. Maybe if you are running the get command, you will not get DBA tool level of thing. You will not get maybe from the server level of information. Maybe you will not get storage level. So it's depend upon as per your computer. I have, because I am teaching always here, right? So what happening? So lot of, oh, I have not shared the screen. Our screen shared. Are you able to see my screen, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happening here? Here you can see that maybe this much of command, whatever I am getting it, so you will not get, because it's depending upon, because I am teaching here every day. Lot of questions are coming by the user student. So that's why I have to upload, I have to download this function, I have to DB tool, this, that, many things I have to do. So that's why I am getting the more command. So if some, this you see that TCP IP network level of thing, exchange level of thing, storage level of thing. So this every command it will be here. You will get, there is a lot of command which will be here. So we are going to deal with this related with SQL Server, right? No doubt. So that is called your get command. There is something called get service. If I will run get happen services, if you want, I will take this also into the output file only, or I will run this much command only. So it will it is going to be explain what are the services which is running for my my computer. So you will see that which is stopped or which is running, or you want, you can take into that. That is the get command, get services, and next one is get process. If I am running get process is nothing but same as your task manager, whatever you are saying, which is the ID and all, this all will be displayed. So later we are going to write the program on this three only, means get command having the multiple of command, right? get services if you want. That time we will write our program into this way, get process we are going, and there is something called WMI. So this also we will see in the later classes, right? So we are going to work with few examples of that commandlets, or we can say this one. So here what we are going to do, how to filter it, and we can see. So like get command. So get command, if you are running the get command, you have seen multiple of commands are coming, right? If you want to filter which is related with SQL Server, so I can filter get command hyphen name, and we can give double column star SQL, right? So what happened, which are the command which is related with SQL, that is only it is going to be displayed. Okay, it is not coming. SQL. Okay, so maybe that time it was not. So SQL PS we have typed. So which is the related with SQL PS, that information it will is going to be displayed, right? So any command which is related with SQL, you will able to see that. So there is one more way to fetching the data into that. So this is very, very important. So you have to remember this only. So we can type get hyphen command. We remember this. After that, use the filter option, right? Then type where hyphen object. So this few thing you have to remember it always, and then give that curly bracket, give dollar underscore dot, and type module name. Module name is equal to give SQL PS. So you can see. So which are the command which is related with SQL PS? You can see the source is SQL PS. So these all are the command which is related. So if I want to take this into that file, so you can read easily. So what I will do, I will put this one out file, and if I'm running this, so we will go here. Okay, maybe for internet it is okay. So now you are seeing from this SQL command get command, I have filter which are the commandlets. You can see these are the commandlets, so which is related with SQL Server. So that kind of command is there. Later we are going to work with this command only, SQL credential or something. We want to work on the SQL stop instance or start instance, something like that. Then time we will take this command and then we will work on that. So that one you will see the later classes.
So what is the function? What is function here? If you just scroll up,
that one,
apart
yeah,
from
yeah.
commandlet, we have function.
Yes, we have function also, we have alias also, multiple of things is there. Later we are going to see that. So this is not result for this. We have filter it from this one. Get command is there, no? Get command. Wait, I will
Right. So
this.
you filtered only the commands related to SQL PS.
SQL. So you can see here these are the source. Source is SQL PS, whatever it is coming. For that only we have filter. SQL PS is very minimum thing, like SQL Powershell, and it is not that much work you will able to do using the SQL PS. So day by day you will understood that. So you can see here something called ability groups, right? Joining the ability group. So everything it is giving you. So this the command we have to work. Later I will give you the example for this, not now. Now how to work with this command we are going to explain you. I think after 10 minutes
So
again it will log off.
when we need to use pipe option, or you
Pipe
used pipe
option is just filtering it. Get command, after get command you want to filter this. So that's why we are using, and after that again we are, and pipeline is nothing but your next line. Sometime it will be used as next line. If you don't want to go for next line, same line only if you want to write, so you can do that. So okay, so next I'm going get hyphen services. Again if it is
Sir,
log off. log of.
Sir,
So
1 minute.
yes, please.
Small doubt, sir. Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
where if an object dollar,
Okay.
sir, dollar is
Okay.
compulsory, we have to put. No, sir.
Sorry. Yes, I will tell you that what is the meaning of that. I have not explained you. So see here. Later class again I will go with the more example on that. So here what happened, no, this will treat as a variable. If you are giving that $_ it is nothing but your variable. So what happened in the get command, you having the multiple of command here, right? Not only this much, more. So using one by one command it will take and it will keep here in this variable. It will treat as a variable, and then it is matching with equal to. Hyphen equal to means equal to SQL PS. If it is SQL PS means it is match, means display the result. And after that I have taken the output file. So later I will go with the more example for this $_ or I will tell you how to declare the variable, right? So this is the first class only, so that's why you will not get more later. So the meaning, okay, so just I am giving you get services. If I am going to run, what result I will get, which are the services is running, right? So I am telling you to write the script where which are the services has been stopped. So how you will do, or which are the services which is related with SQL Server, how you will write? Tell me. Where hyphen object, after that $_ dot, then I write name. If I want to filter using the name, so I will type name. Correct?
Yeah, name.
You can filter with service name also.
Equal to,
-Q.
and what I want MS SQL
Service.
MS SQL Server. So this is going to give the default instance, right? There will be only one default instance. So this is the instance, it is running, right?
Yeah.
Got it. Now I am telling you, I want which services has been stopped or which services has been running. So what I will do, I will change name to
Status.
Status, and what I will give equal to running or stop. So here what it will display, it will display the which are the services is running. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or if I want to go for the stop, so see here, if the log off will be happen, my session will be after 6 minutes, it will be log up, please connect again.
Yes, sir.
So now if I'm going to check which are the services has been stopped, so it is going to give the all stopped command, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. So I'm going with the process. Just if I have to see the which are the process is running, which are the so SQL process will come after which process? Tell me. So till 1 to 15 is your, okay, leave it. So we will discuss later. Otherwise, get process. Now, so I'm going with get process. What I have to type again? Where
Object.
Where happen object? What I have to give?
Process.
$_ and process. If you want to declare here, you have to give handle. Be remember this. That is called HANDLES. Handles is greater than. If you want greater than, you can write GT. Later later class I am going to explain you this all operator, equal to, greater than, binary, boolean, everything. So don't worry, I have not explained. This is just for example purpose I am showing you. So get process which is greater than 20. So how many process which is above than 200 you are able to see here, right? And if somebody told you to which are the process which is greater than 200 and equal to SQL Server, so what you can do? You can add here only greater than 200, and you can add hyphen, and you can write here what we write $_ name, same only $date capital and name, right? Hyphen equal to, correct? And I will give SQL Server, correct?
Yes.
$_
Is that the name is correct because you're fetching process.
Yeah, dot. Oh, sorry, process. No, that name is SQL Server. Yeah, name will also come, but why it is giving error?
$_.
Yes, correct. $_ name. Sorry. So if I'm running now, so I think there is no to greater than process, and it is not coming here. So that's why SQL Server, I think MS SQL Server, there will be no process. That's why you are not able to see. So if I want, I will write SQL. If I'm giving star SQL, let's see something which coming or not. No, now it is not there. That's why we are always SQL Server.
PowerShell is like case sensitive. I mean, so
No,
do
no,
we
no.
have any?
It is not. It is not. It will work. But I'm following the same. But why it is not coming? I think I have to check. Here it is there. No. There. Greater than 200. Okay, it's giving. Okay, something I missed here. I have to go with double. This one I
It's a
was.
double quotes.
Okay, that's why. So day by day you will get that. So that is the problem. So now you got it. So you can add 2 also, 3 also. You can add into that. So you can go with the module also. So here module name is SQL. So there is one more thing you can go with get command. So just now I have used the module, right? Get module, and I will take this only example. So I've given get command where object dollar model I am filtering with the dollar model with SQL PS. So we are getting the result, right? Right. So even we can go with this also, get command hyphen model directly, and we can give SQL PS. Okay, it is not coming. I can go with SQL PS. Okay, so we'll see that. So we can go with this way also. Okay, so these all are that thing. These are the basics what you understood here. Get command, get process, and do the practice for this this one. One more thing, just I will tell you. There is something called grid view also. So now you know that how to run this command and how to run that. Some of the time you will see so if you are going to type here something called, wait one second. So what happened if I will give this one pipe symbol and I'm giving out hyphen G grid view. What happened now here if I will run this? So you will see that one more page will be open and you will able to see the all detail into the good format where I was taking into the notepad. You will able to see that into this one. So I think the time, so the today what we have taken, so I have completed this. So later again, day 1 class is still not completed. This is just for introduction of the PowerShell, how we are going to work and how we are going to do that. So those who has not pinged me their email address, can you please ping me fast? I think Anil has not pinged, Ramin, Naresh. So who has not pinged? Yeah, ping me fast because from tomorrow for those people only I am going to send that. And if you are not interested for this class, so that also you can tell. Otherwise, if you want to take 2 or 3 classes, just I want to attend, then I will decide. So you can take, no problem.